Today, we will talk about how to start a home sewing business. Let's have a look at the details. If you enjoy and excel at sewing, you may dream of starting a sewing business from your home. Our how-to guide has all the info you need to turn your dream of starting your own sewing business into a reality. The first step is determining your business viability. Assess your abilities as a seamstress. Before you begin planning to establish a home sewing business, you first need to honestly assess your abilities as a seamstress. Think about how a home sewing business will fit into your lifestyle. Knowing whether or not the time, emotional, and physical demands of being a seamstress fit in with your lifestyle is important if you want to run a successful business. Examine if a home sewing business meets your financial needs. Seamstresses earn on average about $29,000 per year. This amount can change depending on how often and where you work. Check your current sewing equipment. You'll need to have a high-quality, heavy-duty, or industrial sewing machine to withstand repeated use. You'll also need a supply of fabrics, threads, and needles. The second step is establishing your home business. Start your home business. You may need to find a legal entity to legitimize your business. Starting your business as a legal entity, including having a marketing strategy and billing structure, can help show potential clients that you are a serious business person. Create short and long-term business plans. This is important to help develop your business and accommodate for any contingency such as an illness or a lawsuit. Designate a space for a home sewing studio. Set aside a room or rooms where you can do your work without interruption. You should have listed your various sewing supplies in your business plan. Once you've established your company, purchase any additional supplies you may need to get started. Seek an experienced mentor who understands either small businesses or the sewing business. She will help grow your business and guide you through difficult times or situations. And the third step is building your business. Offer different sewing services. Most seamstresses will offer different services such as repairing clothing, hemming, and sewing new garments. The more diversified your services, the more likely you are to be successful. Set up a pricing structure. Set up a pricing structure for your services. Knowing how much you want to charge in advance can make you appear more professional when you meet with potential clients. Once you know your price structure, install an invoicing and payment system. Consider the types of payment you will accept and how you will write receipts, which will help legitimize your business and make it easier to report income. Make a portfolio of your work that shows your signature style. This will be one of your many calling cards that you can show potential and actual clients. You can also use your portfolio to advertise on the web and on social media. Set up a marketing strategy. Ads are often the first impression potential clients have of you, and you'll want to consider different media to attract clients. Guarantee the quality of your products and services. If you believe in them enough to guarantee satisfaction, potential clients may be more likely to try out your business. Stay on top of sewing methods and garment trends. Clothing and other garments are very trendy businesses. Staying abreast of current sewing methods and clothing trends can help your business succeed. If you sew original pieces in your home, consider selling your products in different sales venues. There are options to sell your products at festivals and online, which can help increase your profits. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.